Hi CHA, today I'm going to teach you how to make invisible ink. So you're going to start with a few materials. I have a piece of paper, a Q-tip, a bowl, and I cut half of a lemon. What you're going to want is an adult to help you cut that lemon. And then I have a heat source and I'm using my blow dryer as my heat source. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take your lemon and you're going to squeeze it into your bowl. Can get kind of messy. Squeeze out your juice. I have a little napkin to wipe my hands. And I need to think of a secret message I want to put in my invisible ink. So I have my message in my mind, and I'm going to take my Q-tip. I'm going to just dab it where it gets a little wet. And on my piece of paper, I am going to write my message. Dab a little bit more ink. Okay. Then we're going to wait for it to completely dry. So I'm going to kind of blow on it. You want to let it completely dry where you cannot see anything. So I'm going to move it to the side. See if it can air dry a little bit. Ooh, it's starting to work. Wonder what y'all's secret messages are going to be. All right, I'm going to do it on part of my message is not completely dry, but I'm going to do it on part of it that is dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blow dryer, since it's a source of heat, and I'm going to blow dry it over the part that I wrote with my Q-tip. So you can see right here that some of it is a little wet, but that's okay. So I'm going to do my message showed up. So I'm excited to see what y'all's messages are going to look like. Have a great day.